Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. Here in front of me, iPad 10th generation 2022, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve your battery life on this device. Great. Let's start by turning off all unnecessary running services. To do that, just open your quick smart panel, and let's take a closer look at all the items. If you are not using Wi-Fi right now and you're using only cellular network, so just disable Wi-Fi and use only mobile data. If you are not don't use cellular now but use Wi-Fi, just disable mobile network. Why? Because this will save your battery power, because if Wi-Fi if you use mobile network and Wi-Fi is enabled, so Wi-Fi will search networks to connect. Okay, so if you have a choice of using the mobile network or Wi-Fi, I suggest to use Wi-Fi, because Wi-Fi use less battery power than mobile network. Okay, next, pay attention to Bluetooth. If you don't need Bluetooth right now, just turn it off, because Bluetooth is on, it is constantly looking for new devices nearby, and this also consumes your battery power, so disable Bluetooth if you don't use it now. Great, moving on. iPadOS has geolocation services enabled by default, so this consumes a lot of your battery power. So open your settings, then find your location, find this button, privacy and security, and just turn off your location services. So if you will disable location services, your location services will be turned off, and because if your location services are enabled, your device, your tablet, all moments, every second, searching for GPS, searching for satellite network, so it consumes your battery power. Okay, the next step is to enable power saving mode. In order to turn off the power saving feature, open the settings application. I have it opened. Then scroll down, find battery here, and just enable power saving mode, allow power mode. And great, that's it. Of course, you can make your display dimmer, and you can enable flight mode if you are not using network now. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.